Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is an Indesit washing machine, IWSC61051. I'll show you how to do the lint filter now. Down at the bottom, there's normally a fascia panel, but this one's missing. If there was, you'd just pop it off with a butter knife or a screwdriver. And here is the filter. You just unscrew it, watch your fingers, there's some beautiful water coming out there. And just have a check. There's the impeller there. It all looks okay. And then just screw it up tight, and if there was a fascia, just snap it back on. And that's it. If your washing machine won't drain, or if it's full of water, that's how you get the water out. And normally there's just something stuck in there, like a hair clip or a bit of cloth or something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.